Hello and welcome to Project 1 for Design and Manufacturing, ME3210 in Dr. Rashidi's uh, Section B. My name is Aditya Hingoo and today I will be presenting the breeze back. So, have you ever come back from school or work or college and taken off your backpack and you notice that your shirt is completely wet on the back and on the shoulders because of your backpack and because it was super hot outside? Well, I definitely have. And so try the breeze back. Um, this product is designed to attach to your backpack easily using magnets in the straps, and it enables ventilation between your back and your bag to prevent sweat buildup because it allows the sweat to evaporate rather than accumulate on your shirt. It's also sleek, foldable, and comfortable, unlike market alternatives, which are either a frame with a mesh or some sort of frame without a mesh which keeps your back away from your bag, um, allowing air to flow. The way this works is you take the straps from your backpack out of the tension lock and then you put the straps through the holes on the lower tabs on the breeze back. Then you fold the magnets over the strap to secure the breeze back to the straps of your bag as well, so you don't get sweaty on your shoulders either. And that's it. Then you just wear a backpack and go about your day. The air-filled cushions maintain ventilation and allow the sweat to evaporate from between your back and your shoulders and your backpack. So this is the breeze back a little bit close up. We have trademark air cushions and they are made from flexible abrasion resistant TPU. Um, it's a super quick setup using the embedded magnets and holes for straps. It doesn't have any sharp edges or require glue or stitching to attach to your bag, so it will not cause any ripping of fabric. It won't cause any holes in your bag. It's not gonna cause any fabric to fray or that sort of thing. The magnets are also flexible magnets, so they're not super sharp and they're not gonna puncture anything. And they are embedded inside the fabric of the breeze back itself. It also has a really sleek design and it's made from waterproof and wear-resistant polyester, which makes it easy to fold and store, unlike competitor products which have to just sit out on your bag. If you want to move it to another bag, it's a relatively quick process to move it over, and if you don't want it at all, you can fold it or scrunch it up into a little ball and toss it into your bag, and it'll be completely fine. This is a 3D view, which is an STL file embedded inside the PowerPoint. It's not accessible through the present view, but you can have a look at it from the file in the description. Um, Moving on, manufacturing. The air cushions is to use extrusion blow molding using nitrogen gas, which is inert, inside the little air cushions. So it'll be molded in its final configuration with all the cushions together in the right orientation and arrangement that they need to be in. Um, and then so the TPU will be extruded and then blow molding will take place, and then after ejection the excess material needs to be trimmed after it has cooled. Now the thing with TPU is that it absorbs water from the air really quickly and really fast, and then if it's processed without desiccating it before, it leads to defects in the material and in the product. Therefore, TPU must be fully dried before processing in an industrial desiccant shown above over here on the right. Um, Moving on to the polyester can be bought in rolls and then made by just cutting out the polyester into the right shapes using rotary die cutters and then sewing them. It's the same situation with flexible magnets, which are also available in large rolls and be cut using rotary die cutters because they are quite flexible. Flexible magnets are basically made using shavings of magnets embedded in some sort of um, polymer, and therefore are quite easy to cut. And then the final assembly happens by sewing all the parts together and embedding the flexible magnets between the layers of the nylon. Um, and then your product should be ready. So, why this material selection? The thing with TPU is it holds shape really well, it's wear resistant, it's abrasion resistant, and it adheres very well to other plastics like polyester, which is the other material that we're using in this case. It's also commonly used in air cushions for shoe soles because of its stretchability and durability. It has a high bounce, it doesn't wear out super quickly, it also doesn't break or pop, which is why it's extremely commonly used um, inside the soles of shoes. And then polyester is a very common synthetic textile and is durable, weatherproof, and it has dry breathability, which is perfect for the breeze back because we don't want you to accumulate sweat over there at all. So the user's perspective. Um, there are plenty of advantages to this product. Firstly, you're not gonna have any more sweaty backs. Say you're going for a meeting or an interview or something, and it's really hot outside, and you show up and you take off your bag, and your back is just completely wet. It's the worst feeling ever. I know. I've gone for career fairs in summer heat with a blazer on, and then by the time I'm there, I've sweated like through my blazer, and it's really bad. So obviously we get to avoid that, but then also you get comfortable air cushioning. If you have something super heavy in your bag, it distributes the weight and it reduces the load on your shoulders and your back. It's also super easy to put on and take off, like we went over. It doesn't damage your bag or alter it permanently, so you can move it from bag to bag. Take it off when you don't need it. And lastly, it is foldable and portable. You can just crunch it up, or you can fold it if you want, and throw it into your closet or a corner somewhere, and it should be fine. However, this product also has a few disadvantages. So it might be slightly expensive to produce because TPU needs specific handling, because it absorbs water from the air so easily, and because it needs to be desiccated. Um, this product will also inherently make backpack straps slightly bulky. However, it's still a good compromise if compared to other products, which are way more bulky and will make your backpack at least 2 or 3 inches like thicker than it already is. And then lastly, obviously, this product won't be super useful in cold weather because you're not gonna sweat either ways in cold weather. And here are all the sources, and that's it. Thank you.